I have my TV paused right now. This is meteorologist Mike Bettis. And he was in a tornado not too long ago, back in 2013. He actually survived. It was the El Reno, Oklahoma tornado that he survived, and thank God he's still alive today. But hey, just like what he's saying, during a hurricane like Harvey, that right front quadrant of the hurricane is where you're always going to have your supercell thunderstorms that produce tornadoes. And here's footage from Texas today from Hurricane Harvey. This hurricane produced a number of tornadoes. And I'm going to play it for you right now.
Talk about some of those tornadoes we've had today. I mean, impressive.
Yep.
Have you seen some of the video around the Cypress area? I mean, this not often.
There's a long track tornado moving behind the restaurant Popeyes in Texas.
But we actually indeed did have that. Usually
some of them can become rain wrapped, some of them don't become rain wrapped. When they're not rain wrapped, you can actually see them. They only last 4 minutes. Some of them do, some of them are long track. Hey, when they're rain wrapped, you cannot see them coming, but
for tornadoes this evening and take that threat.
If they're not rain wrapped, you can see them coming.
Or a way to be alerted. New phones, all this
just like
have the emergency alerts.
What they're saying, take this tornado threat very seriously.
Those would be a setting all the way down to the bottom.
There's Hurricane Harvey. There's
that we've seen as well around Sienna Plantation. Check this out.
There's a damage.
This is just proof that it doesn't. It's not just the wind from a hurricane. It's not just the rain or the surge from the hurricane. It's the severe weather.
It's the severe weather from a hurricane, exactly.
As well, and so far we think that Harvey has produced potentially a couple of dozen tornadoes. An area that's not at risk for tornadoes, we don't think, but potentially very heavy rain is San Antonio. And
that's all the damage from the tornadoes produced by Hurricane Harvey.
It's just that wait and watch. See how this unfolds. Do we get a little wobble back to the east? Do we get a wobble back to the west? And where is San Antonio going to fall in that rain?
Oh, it feels like, and amazing too, Mike, that 21 hours after landfall, and we're just now kind of seeing the worst of the weather, the heavy rain, the really gusty winds that have been consistent. But San Antonio, as we've been talking about, is cut down into the middle, basically. So at the airport, if you take 218 straight north out of the center of San Antonio, you run into the airport. They've had about an inch of rainfall today. You go to the east, out towards Seguin, along I-10, and you're talking 3 and 4 inches of rainfall. So that's what we're seeing.
That is a lot of rain.
Rainfall, but also the worst of the flooding.
And that's where she is
some of the street flooding.
Reporting from right there.
Out of Guadalupe County. That there are some roads that are becoming difficult to drive around. And